Welcome to Pi News World, your trusted source for the latest Pi network news, KYC updates, ecosystem growth, exchange developments, and global crypto discussions. We bring you real-time Pi network coverage with visual references from trusted public sources across the globe. Breaking updates are emerging from the Pi network ecosystem. Pending KYC discussions, migration concerns, and new community reports are drawing global attention. Crypto enthusiasts worldwide are watching every move of the Pi Core team as we move closer to significant milestones. Our top story today focuses on the much-anticipated pending KYC updates that have many pioneers checking their apps daily. Recent official reports suggest a strategic shift in the validation process to handle the massive influx of users. A new tentative status is appearing for many in the network, signaling a more granular approach to verification. This status indicates that additional algorithmic or human checks may be required before final migration to the mainnet. It is a vital security layer designed to ensure the integrity of the entire ecosystem and prevent fraudulent accounts. Within the community, reactions have been a mix of diligent patience and high-stakes frustration as users wait for their turn. Beyond KYC, the discussions surrounding tentative migration are heating up, with new data appearing on the Block Explorer. Live data shows a steady flow of testnet transactions, prepping the infrastructure for the final transition phase. While mainnet migration continues to be the focus, market volume and speculation remain key drivers of community interest. Speculation about potential exchange listings continues to circulate, though the core team remains focused on utility first. Major crypto news outlets are closely monitoring these developments as Pi's scale becomes impossible to ignore. The Pi ecosystem is also showing significant progress, moving beyond simple mining to real-world utility. New utility applications are being integrated, creating a robust circular economy within the Pi platform. From local commerce in developing nations to global digital trade, the use cases for Pi are rapidly expanding. Pioneers worldwide are building local networks to support the coin's adoption even before the open mainnet launch. The social media buzz is a testament to the project's massive scale and the dedication of its global user base. Mainstream financial media is beginning to analyze the impact of such a large mobile-first blockchain network. Full mainnet adoption remains the ultimate goal, and the core team is navigating this transition with extreme caution. The team is balancing the need for speed with the absolute necessity of security in this critical phase. With millions of active nodes, Pi is positioning itself as one of the most widely distributed networks in history. Experts suggest that the current tentative phase is a final dress rehearsal before the floodgates truly open. We are tracking every development across major crypto news outlets to keep you informed of every move. The numbers don't lie. The activity on the blockchain is real and growing by the hour. The road to the open mainnet is complex and requires patience, but the momentum within the ecosystem is undeniable. This is Pi News World, bringing you the latest Pi network news and updates every day. Stay tuned for the next breaking story. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a beat. Thank you for watching.